Have you ever woke up just feeling so discouraged? Oh my goodness. Nobody wants my stuff. Nobody wants me. I'm feeling the weight of the world on my shoulders. I woke up like that myself. And what I realized, partly because I'm a spiritual healer, sometimes I'm feeling stuff that's not even mine. I'm just feeling the weight of the world. Well, luckily, we have EFT to help us, whether it's really something going on with you. And of course, a part of it is, even if you're feeling the weight of the world, we can help alleviate that with some good old-fashioned tapping. So first tune in to how discouraged do you feel. Maybe you're short on money. Maybe you're short on time. Maybe your relationships are just not going. Whatever it is for you, and it's different for everyone, could be a combination. Oh, Lordy, tune in and see. Scale of 1 to 10. How high is it? 8, 7, 6, 5. We want to get it below 5, right? So here we go with some tapping. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's tap together. Repeat after me. Even though I feel discouraged, I love and accept myself. Sometimes when I say that, it just makes me want to cry. I can love and accept myself, even though I feel discouraged. Be sure you're repeating after me. I do feel discouraged. Nobody wants my stuff. Nobody wants me. Nobody wants sessions. Nobody wants anything I have. I love and accept myself. I'm short on money. I feel overwhelmed. I feel worried. I feel the weight of the world on my shoulders. And take a deep breath in and out, going to the top of the head. I feel discouraged. Life is too hard. Nobody wants my stuff. Nobody wants me. And of course we can exaggerate here. We're doing this for everybody. I feel discouraged. I'm short on money. I'm short on time. I feel worried about everything. And take a deep breath in and out and check in your rating and see if it's gone down. If it's still pretty high, stop this video and do that part again before we go into the positive choice. Thank you, Dr. Carrington. I love you forever. Here we go. Let's do a positive choice. I'm choosing to see the best of things. I'm choosing to allow good things to come to me. Okay? We could chap in some Affirmations by Noah St. John. Why are things improving in my life? Why are things? Even though I still feel some discouraged, I choose to allow good things are coming to me. Why are good things coming to me? Why is this looking better and better? I love it. You know, when you ask a question, it turns on the brain's automatic search function, which starts looking to answer the question in a positive way. Why am I feeling better all of a sudden? Why am I feeling better all of a sudden? Why am I looking on the brighter side? Remember to repeat after me. Why is it that things are getting lighter? Why do I feel so much better? Why do I know my money situation will get straightened out? My time situation will get straightened out. My relationship situation will get straightened out. Underneath the arm, I'm feeling better and better. I'm choosing to feel better, choosing to feel joy, bringing in the energy of joy. Let's just say the word joy, 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 joy. Rebecca, Marina EFT expert. Would you share this video with somebody who might be feeling down? If you'd like a whole bunch of wonderful EFT techniques and practices, get on over to eftexpert.com and find just what you need. Leave your comment below. Would you like to see another EFT tapping video or encouraging video? Much love.